In this video, I'll show you how you can fix your headset microphone is not working on Windows 10 or Windows 11. Now the first thing that I suggest you do is you come down here and then you search for privacy. There should be privacy settings, and in here, if you're on Windows 10, there will be a microphone out here. On Windows 11, there will be a microphone in here somewhere, and you want to head over to the microphone. In here, what you want to do is you want to make sure that allow apps to use your microphone is on, as well as if you scroll down here and you want to make sure that, let's say it's voice recorder, I want to make sure that it's turned on here as well. You can also scroll down here and you can see which apps has access to it. After you've done that, what you should do is you should come in here and search for control panel, open up control panel, view by large icons, and in here what you want to do is you want to press on sound. So open up sound in here. In playback, this is your speakers. You want to make sure that you have the correct speakers. This is my correct one. So I'll press on this, set as default, go to properties. And in here, I want to make sure that this is on, use this device, as well as it's turned up in here. Then you want to head to recording and make sure it's the correct microphone as well. Now this is my microphone, so set as default, go to properties, use this device, listen, levels and make sure this is also turned up. Now once you've done all of this, what you should do is you should also update your driver. So come down here and search for device manager, open up device manager. In here you want to find audio inputs and outputs. This is your microphone and your speakers. Then you want to right click on them, update driver, microphone, update driver, and then they're updated. Now, as a last thing, what I suggest you do is you download the software to your headset. So let's say you have a Razer headset, go to Google and search for Razer headset software. Or if you have a Logitech, search for Logitech headset software. And then you can basically download the software, and that might also help fix the issue. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.